The scale and the complexities of the environmental challenges that we're facing today really demand the environmental research infrastructures to continuously develop their monitoring, observations, and the way that we understand the Earth's system sciences. In other words, we need to innovate all the time. And this is what the ENVRINNOV project is actually aiming to do, helping the environmental infrastructures to innovate better.
ENVRINNOV is exploring new ways of collaborations between environmental research infrastructure, scientific institutions and industry. It compiles a catalog of services such as drone detection of natural gas leaks. It translates innovation from research results into real-world solutions. EGU is offering here a great opportunity to share all this knowledge with the scientific community.
We have onboarded the ENVRI Innovation Hub, supporting innovation for research infrastructures. The hub is now online and includes tools like the Innovation Service Catalog and guide users to innovation management and training materials.
EGU hosted our third innovation training for the ENVRI community. So far we trained more than 40 scientists and ENVRI community people to the innovation topics such as technology transfer, IPR management and industry collaboration with research infrastructures.
Through our presence at EGU this year and the many activities we've had, from training to the presentation sessions and the booth, we were able to share the results of the project with the community and also gather live feedback from RIs, from scientists and from industry contacts. And using those, we'll be able to continue to refine the support and the resources we provide to the community to drive innovation forward.